In today's video, we took a day trip to Nara, which is a small city 1 hour south of Kyoto. Nara has a variety of shrines and temples, but its most popular attraction are the free-roaming deers that you could feed at Nara Park. Alright, so we made it to Nara Park, and
they're there, they're just chilling, and they're big.
We'll show you all of the amazing deer right now. Now, something that you don't know about these deer, they learned how to bow to get food. So we got some food for them, some cookies. Oh,
Can you put this in? Oh, okay. Yep, they know.
Oh my God, how do they know? They're aggressive. You messed up. I told you not to do that. How bad do you want?
Bow. 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 No more. Okay. Reporting you. Oh my God.
The best part is that even if there are a good amount of tourists here, you still get like your time. This one is aggressive.
Like before.
Go get her.
Stop.
Come on, you gotta walk.
No, you gotta show that you have nothing.
It doesn't matter. This one's just gonna follow.
Is this the same guy?
I think so.
Same guy.
They've adapted really well to this park. They know exactly what they're here for.
Because they're getting fat.
Yeah, they know that they're gonna get fed. They know that bowing is a sign to give them food. But they also know not to bother the guy who sells the food, because there's just a stand and they kind of stand around it, but that's it. I think we've accomplished and went through our cookies for the day.
No more cookies.
Bye.
Bye.
So we are here at the Fushimi Inari. It's a beautiful day, actually. We got here at 7 o'clock, so we'll see what we could get. So we've been here for a little bit of an hour or so, just trying to get photos. So we're trying to get to the top, from where we are. It's about a 30-minute hike up the mountain. So the shrine was dedicated to the gods of rice and sake by the Hata clan in the 8th century. And there's over 5,000 of these orange pillars. Mm-hmm. And what did you tell me about the writing on it?
These, on each column has writings on it. Those are names of people that donated money to this shrine.
Oh, really?
And the bigger the column is, the more money they gave.
Also, the shrine is filled with these foxes. these statues of foxes that are a messenger from the god of grain, Inari, which is the name of this shrine. Alright, so we found the map. Where are we? We're here, and which way? That way? Or that way? Well, either way is the same.
Non lo so, sei molto in salita.
So I think this is the top, right?
Every time you go through a shrine like this, even if it's just one, you're supposed to bow. Well, all the way. You pick it up,
Okay, so
you scoop water,
yeah.
and the whole thing that you get is supposed to be done. So left hand first. By the time you finish, that little should be empty. And mouth.
And now
You're ready to go through the shrine.
I'm purified.
You're purified.
I am purified.
You're ready to go through the shrine.
Yeah. And that is the lesson of today.
And then,
Right?
yeah.
Alright, so
Man,
that was a long way down. I did not expect us to have hiked that much.
nobody told me that this involves working out.
Yeah, just to show you the difference between 7 a.m. and 10 a.m.
9.
It's 10.
10.
It's 10:30 right now. So there you have it.
We'll post the before and after.
It's been an accomplishing 4 days, right? Every day we've gotten up and got something done really early. Good job. Found it. Found it. All right. That's it. So where are we heading to today?
Osaka.
So we've been in Kyoto for about a week now, right? Tomorrow will be 1 week. Originally, we were going to be going to Osaka for 2 days, but after doing a lot of research, there's not that much to do, and it's just another city. So we're just going to spend 1 day there. So yeah, we're going to be heading over there.
Thank you, you too.
Aww.
Why can't, literally everyone just be nice like that? We were struggling.
Yeah.
We were super struggling. It was hard to know which direction this is going. And then all he needed to know, he was like, can I help you? I was like, we're going to Osaka. And then Donbor, and he knew.
Yeah.
And he's like, the other side, perfect. And I was like, I paid already. Can I go over? And he's like, yes, over there.
Okay. Alright, so we made it to Osaka. We're gonna be walking right now to Dotonbori, which is a famous walking street with street food.
Osaka is what they call food capital of Japan.
One of the things that I want to try is okonomiyaki, which is a Japanese style pancake. It's really, really good based on what I've heard and saw online. So walking there now. So it is very, very busy. I mean, we did come on a Saturday and it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but there are thousands of people here.
A lot of people, but I appreciate that there's a organized way.
Walking line, yeah. So people on the left
everyone's
walk.
on the left side, and you're going that way, going this way. That's what you do. a famous Japanese snack. Like nowadays, you can find them anywhere in like any food festivals around the world. But this is where it came from, here in Osaka.
What's in it?
The classic one is octopus and egg, kind of like batter.
This is a variety,
Yeah.
so it's just different
It's a little bit
ways.
of everything. It's steaming hot. I'm scared. I'm scared. It's hot.
Hot? Yeah. Dangu. So that was delicious. That was a good appetizer. I think we're gonna be looking for okonomiyaki now. So we just walked down the block and we found another place with, of course, a line. Alright, so we got the menu, but we don't know anything.
Like you can like just go straight. Yeah.
This is very hot.
Don't burn yourself.
Now the atmosphere in here is a little bit quiet, so we're not gonna be like vlogging, but take our word for it, it's really good. That was delicious, and I'm definitely gonna have it again, and we're gonna have a variety next time. We had the pork and the shrimp, and the shrimp was just a full piece of shrimp, and then it was just like bacon right on top of it. So we're just gonna walk around, explore a little bit. If we feel like getting some more food, then we'll get some more food.
It's time for dessert.
Dessert? Alright, fine. We'll get some dessert right now. If you guys don't know, Yvonne can't eat any food and not have dessert afterwards. Any type of big meal, we have to get dessert, something, anything. So we were just passing by and found some jiggly cheesecake. Oh, this is so warm.
Oh, it's so jiggly. Alright. Oh, like. Oh. This is better than the one in New York,
Yeah, it's good.
for sure.
We ate a lot.
We ate so much.
Really light.
It's really light, that's why.
But it does taste a lot like egg. Not very desserty. Yvonne, Michael Jackson is alive. So that was really random.
Wait, it's only one time we got lucky.
Yeah.
Again?
So
I have senses when it comes to these kind of things.
you attract live performances in the street.
I'm good at this.
That was really fun.
Japanese food. Ichiran, that's a chain restaurant of tonkotsu ramen. And over here we have Donki